This is the Arizona Department of Public Safety.
A confirmed large and destructive tornado was located.
What the hell, Lincoln?
This is a test of NOAA weather radio's warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of impending hazards. This test is conducted each Wednesday between the hours of 10 a.m. and 1 p.m., but may be postponed if there's a threat of severe weather. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. Reception is broadcast, and the warning alarm feature will normally vary with distance from the transmitter. This may occur even if you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. We now return to regular programming.
Here is the regional forecast summary. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending damage. Tests of these receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 p.m. and 1. By Arizona weather or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in north central and northeast Illinois, will be activated for watches and or warnings affecting all counties in north central and northeast Illinois, as well as counties in far northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program. Here is your forecast for